Hey everybody, today we're reviewing a pair of shoes from CalorShoes.com. They're a website where you can get custom made shoes. You can choose your type of shoe, you can choose your colors, you can choose the material your shoe is made from. So it's awesome. This particular shoes I made very, very loud. My personal brand has a bright pink and a baby blue color. So I wanted to wear some shoes, some very, very loud shoes that would accommodate my brand. So got these off of Calor and we're gonna check them out. Let's go. So first, right off the bat, beautiful packaging here. Comes up with the little flap here. Pick them up and oh. Okay, let's see what we got here. So first, just a little how to properly care for your shoes card. So step-by-step instructions of how to care for your shoe. And yeah, these are better than I thought. Wow, oh look, there's some extras in here too. So it looks like a stiff nylon bristle brush so that you can help clean your shoes. And they even gave me a different pair of laces. So these came with the pink laces. They gave me the baby blue laces in case I want to switch it up or even throw a blue lace on one shoe and a pink lace on the other shoe. It'll be great. So I'm gonna move this box out of my way and we're gonna dive right into the shoes here. So again, I wanted a very, very loud shoe and Calor nailed it here. So the pink looks great. I don't know if you can tell so much on camera, but this is suede, real suede. Like this is awesome, man. They also have different colors, different types of regular leather. I opted for the high tops, but they have low tops as well. You can choose everything from the stitching in your sole to the color of your sole, the texture. I mean, they really go all out here. Even on the inside of my shoe, it's all pink as well. So I mean, these are absolutely perfect shoes to nail it out of the park and promote my personal brand. I didn't find a better shoe on the market. I'm so glad I went with Calor brands. They are amazing. So again, if you're looking for some unique styling to your shoes, or you just want to make a statement in your footwear, Calor shoes is the way to go. Order a great set from them today. I'm gonna go wear these bad boys right now. These are awesome. Thank you, Calor shoes.